Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can check if your lost iPhone 17 Pro is in the database on IMEI.info page. Okay, for now let's pretend that my iPhone is lost. It's in front of me, but let's pretend that I have lost it, and now I want to check is it in the lost database on IMEI.info page. Now, we gotta enter the IMEI number of our lost iPhone in this search bar. Usually, we check the IMEI number through the phone app by typing this code, but we cannot do it because we have lost it or it has been stolen. But don't worry, the IMEI number is also written on the phone packaging, usually on the side, so that's the place where you can check it. Then, type this IMEI number in the search box and click on Check IMEI. As you can see, the iPhone 17 Pro appears. Now we gotta keep scrolling down until we find the basic checks that are completely for free, so you don't gotta pay for anything. Now click on Lost Device Check. In here you can type the IMEI number has been automatically copied, but you can also enter the second IMEI number and serial number if you're interested. Then click on Check Lost/Stolen Status. And now we have the result that this device is reported in IMEI.info lost/stolen database. As we keep scrolling down, we can check the incident date, the country, the city, the price of the reward, the contact name, the email, the phone number, is it verified, the date also, is it reported, and the date of the report when it was created. You can also order the Blacklist Premium check or perform the Blacklist Simple check by clicking one of the buttons if you are interested. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.